What if a single machine could turn your designs, artwork, logos, and ideas into actual products that people can wear? That's the promise behind the growing world of custom apparel printing. And over the last few years, one technology has become especially popular among small businesses, side hustlers, creators, and entrepreneurs. DTF printing, or direct-to-film printing. And the xTool Apparel Printer is one of the newest machines trying to make professional apparel production more accessible. Because when most people think about starting a clothing brand, they imagine huge factories, expensive equipment, and complicated production processes. But modern printing technology is changing that, and this machine is designed around that exact idea. Let's start with the printing format. The xTool Apparel Printer uses a 14-inch A3 DTF system. Now, if you're new to DTF printing, here's why that's important. Unlike some traditional garment printing methods that can have limitations depending on material type, DTF workflows are designed to work across multiple fabric categories. That flexibility matters because most clothing businesses don't want to limit themselves to just one type of product. T-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, tote bags, workwear, sportswear, promotional products. Having broader compatibility creates more opportunities. Now, let's talk about what separates this machine from many entry-level options. The printhead configuration. The xTool Apparel Printer uses dual Epson i1600 printheads. And in the printing world, printheads are everything. They influence speed, detail, color accuracy, and production efficiency. With dual printheads, the goal is simple: produce more output in less time. Because for business owners, speed directly affects productivity, and productivity affects profitability. If you can complete more orders in the same amount of time, your workflow becomes more efficient. That's one reason dual printhead systems attract attention from growing apparel businesses. Now, let's talk about quality. Because speed means very little if the finished product doesn't look professional. Custom apparel customers expect vibrant colors, sharp details, clean edges, and consistent results. Whether you're printing company logos, graphic designs, artwork, sports branding, or personalized products, consistency is critical. And that's one of the biggest reasons people invest in professional DTF systems rather than consumer-grade alternatives. Now, here's something many newcomers underestimate: maintenance. And honestly, maintenance is one of the least exciting topics in printing, but it's also one of the most important, because downtime costs money, clogged printheads cost money, interrupted production costs money. That's why one of the standout features of this machine is its 24/7 automatic maintenance system. The goal is to reduce manual intervention and help maintain printhead health over time. For business owners, that can potentially reduce stress and keep production running more smoothly. And anything that improves reliability becomes valuable very quickly. Now let's talk about who this machine is actually for, because not everyone needs commercial apparel equipment. This printer makes sense for people creating custom clothing businesses, print-on-demand operations, local merchandise brands, school apparel, sports team merchandise, corporate promotional products, event merchandise, and creators who want more control over production. Instead of outsourcing every order, equipment like this gives you the ability to produce in-house that can improve turnaround times and create more flexibility. Now, let's be realistic. A machine like this is not a magic money printer. Success still depends on design quality, marketing, customer demand, brand building, and operational management. The printer is simply a tool, but it can be a very powerful tool when paired with a solid business strategy. And that's really the key takeaway. The value isn't just in the hardware. The value is in what the hardware allows you to create. Products, brands, businesses, and opportunities. Now, if you're interested in checking the latest pricing, specifications, bundle options, and availability, I've left everything in the link in the description. Make sure you check the link in the description before making a decision, because DTF printer packages, accessories, and promotions can change frequently. And before you finalize anything, check the link in the description again so you can compare it with other commercial DTF printing systems in the same category. Because the right printing machine doesn't just produce apparel, it can become the foundation of an entire custom merchandise business.